Ang pinaka-rule nito, for example, nag-register ka, hindi ka pumasok na hayop ka. Nag-fill up ka ng form, you took a fucking slot, hindi ka pumasok. Hindi ka nag-inform kung bakit, nada, wala, hindi ka na makakapasok sa kung anumang training ko moving forward. Walang explanation bakit hindi makakapasok. Whenever you register and you lock a fucking slot and hindi ka papasok, you took the slot away from someone who badly needs it, who badly wants it. And that's disrespectful. So once mag-register ka, you lock the slot, hindi ka pumasok, hindi ka nag-attend, hindi ka nag-inform in 1 week. 1 week lang. Baka emergency, baka aksidente, who knows. I'll give you 1 week. Pag hindi ka mag-inform sa mga moderators but hindi ka nakapasok through email, you will be blocked sa mga trainings ko moving forward. Walang integrity, walang accountability, walang respeto just because it's free. I want this moving forward clean. Kasi ayoko nang mag-start every Saturday na I will take an hour to manually approve registrants. Nakakapagod talaga. So I want this to be more organized. Rule is rule. So again, if you register, you lock the slot at hindi ka pumasok, you have 1 week to inform me or the moderators through email bakit hindi ka nakapasok. If it's valid, then we will approve you sa next na training. But if wala, you will be blocked. Hindi ka na makakapasok.